Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. We're diving into Enables Passportal, a robust password management solution designed specifically for MSPs and IT professionals. Passportal offers a secure vault for storing and managing all your sensitive credentials, eliminating the risks associated with weak or reused passwords. Tired of juggling multiple logins and struggling to keep track of client credentials? Passportal simplifies password management with a centralized platform accessible from anywhere. This enhances both your security posture and your team's efficiency. Features like automated password rotation and multi-factor authentication provide an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. For managed service providers, Passportal offers seamless integration with popular PSA and RMM tools, streamlining workflows and improving overall productivity. This integration allows you to manage client passwords directly within your existing systems, saving you valuable time and reducing complexity. Beyond simple password storage, Passportal provides comprehensive reporting and auditing capabilities, giving you complete visibility into your password management practices. These reports help ensure compliance with industry regulations and identify potential security vulnerabilities. Furthermore, the solution facilitates secure password sharing amongst team members, ensuring that the right people have access to the right credentials at the right time. Passportal isn't just a password manager, it's a comprehensive security solution that empowers IT professionals and MSPs to take control of their password management, mitigate risk, and boost efficiency. It's built with the understanding that security is paramount in today's digital landscape. By implementing a solution like Passportal, you can strengthen your defenses against cyber threats and ensure the protection of your sensitive data. Investing in robust password management isn't just a best practice, it's a necessity. So, head over to n-able.com/products/passportal/password-manager to learn more and see how Passportal can benefit your organization. Protect your business and streamline your operations with Passportal, the password management solution built for the modern IT professional.